What up, y'all, and welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the C blues scale, which is concert B flat blues. If you're ready to learn this new scale, get that horn out of the case and let's get started. The first two notes are C and E flat. C is played open, E flat is played 2 and 3. The E flat tends to be a little sharper on the trumpet. Kick out that third vowel tuning slide to help with intonation. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next two notes are F and F sharp. F is played 1, and also you want to kick out this first vowel tuning slide just a bit because it tends to be sharp. The next note is F sharp, which is 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our last three notes are G, which is played open, B flat, which is 1, and also kick out that first vowel tuning slide, and C up the octave is also open. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to learn more of your scales, go ahead and click the playlist either in this video or down in the description box below. I do have sheet music in all 12 keys with the fingerings in them, so that's also in the description box below. But thank you so much for watching this video. Again, my name is Aaron, the Black Trumpeter, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.